The real world is open, full of sounds essential for the brain to stay sharp. But 7 out of 10 hearing aid users are challenged daily by disruptive sounds, whether loud or soft, causing them to struggle to understand conversations, lose confidence, and become closed off. Don't let disruptive sounds disrupt life. With the new Oticon Real.
Hello?
Supporting the brain with every sound to perform optimally. Oticon Real lets users hear all the sounds that are an essential part of the world around us. And all the surprises. While ensuring speech clarity with less listening effort. Oticon Real. Stay sharp in the real world.